Meaning of fluidity.
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 Fluidity. Fluidity refers to the ability of something to flow smoothly and easily, without any obstruction. In general, it implies a certain degree of flexibility and adaptability, as well as a lack of rigidity or fixedness. For example, a fluid organization is one that can easily shift and adjust to changing circumstances, while a fluid conversation is one that moves back and forth between topics without any awkward interruptions or abrupt transitions. Overall, fluidity promotes a sense of ease and gracefulness in movement, communication, and behavior.